children, welcome to our online class 7 and subject science. Today we are stepping into the next unit, that is unit 6, and the name of the unit is digital painting. So in this chapter you will learn about the usage of software, that is TuxPaint and TuxMath. They are all the software and how these software are helpful in the computer science technology. Today we are going to learn this one only. So do you know what is meant by TuxPaint? TuxPaint is a free drawing program designed for young children, and it has n number of usage. It is a simple, easy to use interface and fun and sound effects and encouraging cartoon mascot which helps to guide children as they use the program. Choose a tool from the options on the left side of the screen, then make choices from the right side of the screen. Directions are provided at the bottom of the screen. So it is said to be they are all said to be the tools which we are using in the software of TuxPaint. Okay, so with the help of the tools in the software, you may able to provide or you may able to perform n number of activities in the computer science technology. So left side it shows the toolbar. This toolbar has the control option to draw and to edit images, and in case of middle it is said to be the drawing canvas, and it is the largest part of the screen dedicated to draw and edit images. So if you see here, so it is said to be the left side and it is said to be the right side portion, and it is said to be the middle area. In the middle area only you can able to draw and edit any image, and left side of the toolbar it has the control option to draw and to edit images, while the right side of the toolbar it is having the various specific tools. Example, when the line tool is selected, the right side bar shows the various lines available. When the shape tool is selected, different shape options can be seen on the right side. If you see here, you may able to see paint, stamp, line, shape, text, magic. These are all the various tools which are being there on the right side of the TuxPaint. So it is the window screen while opening the TuxPaint, and you may able to have two sides. One will be the left side and other one will be the right side. So and it is the middle area where you can able to draw the various image. And then in case of the left side of the toolbar, it has control option to draw and to edit any image, while the right side is having n number of tools, that is paint, stamp, line, shape. If you want to draw any line means you have to click this tool, then you can able to draw any whatever line which you need to draw. And with the help of clicking the shape tool, if you click that shape tool, you can able to draw a particular shape, whatever the shape which you required or which you need, you can able to draw by means of clicking simply this tool itself. And if you want to write any text in that image or in the drawing, if you want to write any text means by just simply clicking this text option or by clicking the text tool, you can able to write whatever you are thinking. So likewise you may able to have various tools here: eraser, new, open, and then it is having save option also, and then print and quit option also it is having. So in the lower portion a palette of available colors are shown near the bottom of the screen. If you able to see here, these are all said to be the various colors, that is pink, yellow, green, blue, violet. Likewise, if you want, after drawing any image or after drawing any picture, whatever you are drawing, you can able to give colors by means of using this color tools. And next one, the tool icon. So it is said to be the paint. With the help of the paint one. The paintbrush tool lets you to draw freehand using various brushes which are chosen in the selector on the right, and colors. It is stamp. The next tool is stamp. The stamp tool is like a set of rubber stamp or stickers, and it is the use left and right arrow to cycle through the collections. And this line tool, it is help to draw lines, and this shape tool, it helps to draw various shapes whatever you required. And next one is the new tool. Clicking the new button will start a new drawing. If you want to perform a new drawing by means of just simply clicking the new button or new tool, you can able to draw a new drawing or new image. And by means of clicking the open tool, it helps to open an existing file. Whatever file you are saving or whatever file you need to open, by means of just simply clicking this open tool, you can able to open any file. And if you want, after drawing, if you have finished drawing a picture, by means of clicking the save option, you can able to save the picture, or you can able to save that particular image. And if you want to take a printout to show it to your parents, so you can able to, by means of just simply clicking the print option, you can able to print your image, or you can able to print your drawing. And next one, there are various shortkeys which are available in this software, that is in TuxPaint. So if the tool name is new, by means of Control and capital N, you can able to click the new. And for open, you can click Control plus O, and to save, Control plus S. And then if you want to print, you have to click Control and P. And if you want to quit that area, or if you want to quit that file, means you have to simply click the, or you have to simply press the escape button in the keyboard. And if you want to undo, means you have to press Control and Z. For redo, you have to press Control and Y. Next, coming to the TuxMath. TuxMath is an open source arcade style video game for learning arithmetic, and the main goal is to make learning effective, fun and enjoyable one. Math Command Training Academy. Choose this to go to a list of over 50 prepared lessons, starting with simple typing of single digit numbers and progressing to multiplication and division, involving negatives and missing number questions also. And the player wins if the question list is completed successfully. Successfully completed lessons are indicated with a flashing gold star. More options. You do have demo mode as well as credit and project information. And we may able to see various keys like up and down arrow key to select what you wish to do, and then press enter or return or space bar. And then by simply pressing the escape button in your keyboard, you can able to quit that particular program. So in this chapter, we can able to learn the softwares like TuxPaint and TuxMath. Thank you, children.